Come on. You go home. Figure it out. I told you not to climb up. And don't give me that look. You figure it out. Come on. Down. Go home. Go home. Come on. You know how to climb up? You're making a mess out there too. Go home. Go home. You know how to get up there. You should figure out how to come down. I'm not gonna help you. Or if you want, you can sleep there for tonight. This is not your toy. Go down. Down. Come on. You have to go home. You have to figure it out. You have to figure it out. I'm not helping you out. Go home. No. I'm not. Not gonna pick you up. You stop doing that. You're not allowed here. It's a kitchen. Unless you want to get cooked. You bad boy. You learn how to do that, huh? Yeah, you're bad boy. All right, let's go.